Hi, Danielle and Justine. We're wrapping up our first day at the Airshow and a lot of exciting things happened today. Danielle, can you give us the main highlights?
Yes, Justine, we had an amazing day today. French President Emmanuel Macron was at our stand checking out all of the latest innovations. Our first Airbus flying displays were very impressive. The H-160, the A321XLR, NH90, the Tiger. Officially opening also our immersive tunnel experience to show visitors. We invite you to come and see it. Don't miss out. We had a number of signatures, of which a history-making deal with Indigo for 500 A320neo family aircraft.
There's definitely a lot of action going on at the Airshow. Can't wait to see what happens next. See you tomorrow.